Up top burger here. Yeah man, the great up top burger here, you know. I'm just not only a construction worker, I also do some farming. I mean the drought is kinda really bad right now, you know. As you can see, the pepper is here, huh? So the pepper field. Careful because so you all can see it. Yeah, so this is what I have to use to carry water. Because, yep, the drought is on. As you all can see the fruit full of young pepper. Young bearing pepper. Last thing. Actually, it's a goat come in and cap my ground, you know. Funny, it's a goat. Yeah, young pepper. All through you can see. No joke thing, you know. Some part bigger you have like some bigger pepper right here like these, you know. Pepper, more pepper. Yeah. This part is weeding out, so you know what I mean. Got me some pepper here. Right beside the pepper, unfortunately we have susumba tree. Some people call it gully bean. I don't know what you call it, but it's to me it's a susumba tree. You can see, look at the spikes them on it. This one young, so you're not gonna really joke. Spikes. As one's wise man say, it protect itself. So anything you say protect itself, it's a good thing. Pepper tree. Very fruitful, blossoming. Fortunately, I was so tired, so I put two in a hole right here. Two little small ones. I can see they come up real good. So actually today I'm actually molding them. If you look at this one, you can see the difference there. This one, that's how it's gonna look. I'm molding it, but it's a little kind of skeptical because the place is kind of dry. Yeah, no rain. What you gonna do like this? Yeah, it's all my drums. Yep, pretty much empty, no water. Gungo peas, see there? Yeah, gungo peas. The tree right here. As far as the eyes can see, gungo peas. Right, this one, gungo peas, you know. Few coconuts not ready as yet. If you look out there, it's a goat too. Yeah, it's a goat. Yeah, doesn't hear goat bar. It's a goat right there. That's a gungo peas on tree right here. Need some picking, huh?